friends, the New Year holidays are just around the corner, and today I want to show you how to make a very unusual handmade gift from paper. So, let's get started. We will need 2 sheets of A4 paper, a ruler, scissors, a utility knife, though you can do without it, and a pencil. We need to cut the sheets into even strips. The width of the strips will be 2 centimeters. Right now, we are making marks on one side and the other, each 2 centimeters apart. Now we draw straight lines along our marks. We have cut one sheet, and we do the same with the other A4 sheet. We can cut them with scissors, or we can do it using a utility knife. This will be more precise, neater and easier, in my opinion. Make sure to place a cutting board underneath if you're using a knife. And we start cutting using the ruler. From one sheet, we got approximately 10 even strips, each 2 centimeters wide in total overall. We do the same with the second sheet. In total, we have 20 strips that are 2 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters long. This amount will be enough for our entire figure. What do we do next? We need to cut our strips into even small squares. In general, typically from 2 strips we get 1 small cube. We will need a total of 9 cubes. And let me show you how it's done. We take 2 strips, one on top of the other like this. We fold them at the top. Now we fold the bottom part up. We make a fold. Now we just fold the side up. And we make a fold. We can see that in the center we always get even squares. Now we fold the top part back, one at a time. We make a fold. And so, until the end, we will share our 2 strips into even squares by 2 centimeters. We end up with something like this, a little accordion. We see folded into each other. We carefully unfold our strips. And they are cut into even squares. Okay. From these strips, we need to cut out, in total, 3 strips with 6 squares each. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cut 2 is already there. And we will also need a third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cut. And we also have another shape left from the second strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will just go for the next one. Our cube, that is, we get from 2 strips, 1 strip of 6 squares is extra. We save it for the next cube. We only need 3 strips for 1 cube. And to clearly and thoroughly explain how to make a cube from these strips, I numbered them. We take it horizontally. 1 strip. Next, we take the second one from the top and place it. We got the green 4. We just place the blue 2, like this. Next, under the green 5, we apply with you the pink 4. So we have 1, 2, and 3 left on top. Now we carefully wrap the green 6, slowly behind the pink 4, gently. We place it, hold it. Next, we make a wall from the 5. We wrap the 1. We wrap it with the 3. We're making a cube right now. It's better to do this on the table. This is how I lean on the table, you see. We carefully wrap the blue one, and we wrap it with the 3, and precisely we can see that we already have a little corner forming. And we very carefully and delicately wrap the pink 5, ensuring it is completely and thoroughly wrapped. We're making this kind of cube. We essentially wrap this 5 and 6 into this kind of cube with the 1 and 2 basically all around. So we end up with this kind of cube. We just wrap these 2 parts with the pink ribbon all around. Now we need to carefully and gently lift the green side ribbon. And we lift the blue ribbon. First we carefully wrap the blue ribbon all around. Here we have the 6. Look, we wrap the blue ribbon all around and we're threading it through the pocket. We have pockets everywhere here. We thread it in and hide it, and it got fixed in place. Now, we turn the 6 back inside. We hide it, and with the other numbers, we wrap the 6 and also hide it in the pocket. So we ended up with this kind of cube. There's nothing complicated here. Just take another look if you didn't understand, pay attention. And you will definitely have it. It will turn out. We continue doing the same with the other ribbons. We make small, even squares out of them. I prepare all the necessary materials for myself right away. And now, I'm just going to start folding. So, our cubes are ready. To connect our cubes together, we will need some more ribbons. We cut the longest ribbon from 12 squares, then a ribbon from 7 squares, and another one the same size from 7 squares. I started by cutting off the corners of our ribbons a little. In order to conveniently push into our cubes, we begin by we take the longest ribbon of 12 squares, grab the first cube, and thread it through the pockets. We place our first cube on the 3. Next, we take the following cube. We thread it from the bottom to the opposite side. So like this on the 4 from the other side. We need to thread the next cube onto the 5 again from the right side. This is how it looks. Now, on the opposite side, we put on for 3 cubes on the left side. We ultimately end up with this particular shape, and now we need to turn it down, in particular, specifically. And thread the ribbon into this pocket. And we see that we're literally missing a cube, so we thread it in there. And then we thread the ribbon through the very first one on top. Cube. We hide it here and close it. With the very first unit on top, threading it into the pocket. We have only 2 cubes left, and this is our main part. We are only missing 2 on the sides, and these ribbons will help us with that. We're putting our cubes on the 4s. As we can see, we threaded on the 4 in this position. And now with the help of the ribbons, we will very slowly and carefully thread it through one side of the side square. And to the bottom side, thread it through. Exactly the same on this side. And now our edges, we need to hide them. We hide them in these spots. Pockets. And on the other side, exactly the same. And we ultimately end up with this shape that we can finally achieve. Just press down on the sides like this and fold it into a square. And now it's time to color it with a simple pencil. I made this one. Here's a sketch of the drawing. It's Santa Claus. And now we're going to color it together. We can also make the drawing on the other side. To make sure absolutely everything turns out right, neat and beautiful, don't rush at all. Sit down, calmly, and watch the video carefully. You will definitely succeed. This cube will make a great card and gift for the new year. I hope you liked it a lot too. If so, be sure to definitely like and leave your comments. I'm waiting for your finished works in my group on vContactor. I'm really curious to see. We also have a lot of interesting videos for you on our channel. We invite everyone. Welcome and see you soon.